Hello and welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the vast world of home appliances to find products that truly enhance your daily life. If you're someone who loves whipping up healthy smoothies, refreshing icy drinks, or even preparing sauces and purees with ease, then a reliable blender is an absolute kitchen essential. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're taking a deep dive into a standout model that promises both power and convenience, designed to meet the demands of any home cook or smoothie enthusiast. We're going to examine its key features, discuss its performance, weigh its pros and cons, and help you decide if this is the perfect addition to your countertop. Let's kick things off with the Hamilton Beach Power Blender. This isn't just any blender, it's a meticulously designed appliance built to deliver consistently smooth results every single time. At its heart lies a powerful 700-watt peak motor, paired with robust stainless steel ice saber blades. This combination provides exceptional ice-crushing capability, effortlessly transforming solid ice cubes into fine snow, which is perfect for frozen cocktails or thick milkshakes. What truly makes this blender shine is its unique wave action system. This innovative design continuously forces ingredients down towards the blades and circulates them throughout the 40-ounce glass jar. This ensures a thorough, even blend, eliminating those annoying chunks or pockets of unmixed ingredients you often find with less advanced blenders. Whether you're making a silky smooth protein shake or a hearty vegetable puree, you can expect uniform consistency. Convenience extends beyond performance, too. The patented pour spout allows for spill-free serving, so you won't have to worry about messy countertops. And when it comes to cleanup, Hamilton Beach has made it remarkably simple. The glass jar, lid, blades, and collar are all removable and dishwasher safe, saving you precious time and effort. Looking at user feedback, the Hamilton Beach Power Blender boasts an impressive 4.3-star rating from over 55,000 global reviews, a testament to its widespread appeal and reliable performance. Users frequently praise its durable, quality design, highlighting its sturdy construction and the overall feel of a dependable appliance. The extensive set of features, from the powerful motor to the wave action system and easy pour spout, also receives high marks, offering significant value for its category. However, as with any product, there are a couple of considerations. While we can't provide live pricing, we always recommend checking the product page on Amazon for the most current pricing information and any ongoing deals. Similarly, for the most detailed user experiences and specific nuances, diving into the customer reviews on Amazon is highly advisable. This blender truly excels for buyers who prioritize technical details and robust, consistent blending performance. If you're someone who appreciates efficient design, powerful motors, and features that make daily tasks easier, then the Hamilton Beach Power Blender should definitely be on your shortlist. It's an excellent choice for everyday use, handling everything from daily smoothies to party-ready frozen drinks with unwavering efficiency. It brings together thoughtful engineering with practical user benefits, making it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. So, if you're in the market for a blender that delivers on its promises of power, precision, and convenience, the Hamilton Beach Power Blender is certainly worth considering. We hope this comprehensive review has given you all the insights you need to make an informed decision. All the relevant purchase links, along with more detailed specifications, can be found in the comments and description below this video. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need a new blender, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more honest and in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.